Hello, my name is Greg. I'm one of the assembly technicians here at Muscle Car Restorations. Today we're going to be chassis dyno testing this fully restored 1970 Chevelle SS. This Chevelle has a completely rebuilt 396 engine. The compression ratio was modified from the original 11:1 to 9.5:1 to account for the lower octane in modern day pump gas. It has a hydraulic flat tappet lifter camshaft and has been broken and run on an engine dyno up to 5,500 RPM. It produced a peak horsepower of 408 at 5,500 RPM. The torque curve is very flat and averaged 418 torque from 3,000 to 5,000 RPM. Well, we're all done with the chassis dyno session on the Chevelle. It produced 244 horsepower at 5,000 RPM and 262 torque at 4,100 RPM, which is within the ballpark of what we expect to see at the wheels with the air cleaner on and accounting for the drivetrain losses and an automatic transmission. Great street motor and should be a lot of fun to drive. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to watch for more chassis dyno videos in the future.